I have profited 5 to 100% in one day, especially during the year of 2021. Forward to that, I have also continued with the education, and along the way also have many such profit 5 to 100% in one day. Hello, my name is Eltin. I'm an e-commerce trader. I've got to know spiking since end of 2020. Yeah, and then start to join the coaching community in 2021. I have profited 5 to 100% in one day, especially during the year of 2021. Forward to that, I have also continued with the education, and along the way also have many such profit 5 to 100% in one day. I think everyone should have an informed decision when it comes to investment, especially in the volatile market like this. So spiking has helped me to especially have the information on the insiders who has put money in the trades. It is a one-stop solutions for all my research. Unlike the other education that I've been through, I had to go through a lot of area in order to find a single information. But spiking software has helped me to consolidate all this information in one place. I like especially the daily bread feature. With the daily bread, I can identify the potential company that I can invest in, get in one day and get out on the next day. So I love that feeling. I enjoy the closeness of the community, and especially under the guidance of Dr. Chiang. He has been updating us of all the latest information and keep us in the close-knit community.